Hey, what's up, Chainlink holder? It's a really great news for all Chainlink holder to Chainlink is gonna be a profit now. In the same time, if you can see my other Chainlink 0.43% profit now, so that's mean to Chainlink is moving upward now. And congratulations everyone to Chainlink is gonna be ups now, my brother. Let's see, we completely discuss about my friend Chainlink to what's going on, what we need to do at the same time. But kindly you need to subscribe this channel for more this type informative video. Just do it, man. Click the subscribe button. Absolutely, ABSC channel will guide you, update you. We need to complete my brother's 12,000 subscribers this time. Absolutely, I hope you will do it now. So this time, my brother, the Chainlink in last 1 hour just in only profit. Otherwise, in last 24 hours, last 7 days, all is completely, my friend, negative now and lost now. So what's the reason, my friends? So they are losing now. There are two main reasons. The first reason is that especially short-term investors are starting selling, and the second reason is that, my brothers, so this is now the mid of month. So absolutely, when a short-term investor see the good jump, so they were starting selling. So definitely they are losing now. So kindly holders, don't do this. I hope, my brother, in upcoming times they will get a profit now. Let's see the update. You can see here 15.56 USD dollar is the latest price of Chainlink. I hope at the end of month, if they will, my friends, starting moving upward, they will just only take a 10% profit, so they will hit 20 USD dollar. But you need, my brothers, to they will hit 10% profit now. This time, my brother, you can see here the 24-hour volume, so 372. My friend, you can see here billion supply, and you can volume 24-hour volume, and available supply you can see here 380. And you can see here this time the market cap, so 5 billion, and you can see total supply, so 1 billion this time. Absolutely gonna be profit now. But I hope, my brother, in upcoming time there is a 70% chance that they will get a profit. But that's all possible just in only if you are hold. So kindly I just advise you to please hold it. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box. This will be very good and very important for all of you. So kindly share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching, holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.